Hello guys, welcome to Fun Tech channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you step by step by which you can sign up on TikTok, maybe by using your phone number, email, Facebook or Google. I'm going to use my phone number or email. You will input your phone number or email here. None of the above. You can see that I have added my phone number. I'm waiting for verification code, and my verification code will be sent to me maybe by 1 minute. You can see that we are input our phone number, so let's wait for our verification code. Okay, this is our code. Input your date of birth. You can see input your date of birth. Must at least be 18 if we want to be eligible for monetization on TikTok. Must be older than 18 plus. Enter your password. I'm going to enter my password. Your password must be alphabet, and you can see as completed. Nickname, YouTube tutorial. Tutorial 1. You can see that we have created our account. You can see this is the new account. We have created our account. You can see set up you input your profile here, your profile. I'll just take this one and add this to it. You can see. That is how to add photo to that is how to upload photo to our new TikTok accounts. So we are going to set up our new TikTok accounts now. Edit profile. You can see we have added everything, your bio, That is good day. Good day. You can see that we have created our accounts. That's all about our accounts. You can see us online. We have created our accounts. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fun Tech channel. See you in my next video.